Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. So you've accidentally deleted a Pinterest board and now you're panicking, right? Don't worry, Pinterest actually gives you a grace period to recover it. Step 1. First, log into your Pinterest account and go to your profile page. Click on the menu icon in the top right corner and select Settings. From there, navigate to the Account section where you'll find options related to your boards and deleted items. Step 2. Look for a section that says Deleted Boards or Recently Deleted. Pinterest keeps deleted boards in a temporary folder for about 30 days, so if your deletion was recent, your board should still be there waiting to be restored. Step 3. Once you find your deleted board in the list, click on it to open the options. You'll see a Restore button displayed prominently. Click that button to bring your board back to your main profile. Step 4. After clicking Restore, give it a few moments to process. Your board will reappear on your profile with all the pins you had saved still intact. Everything comes back exactly as it was before deletion. Step 5. Finally, make sure to double-check that your board is now visible on your profile and all your pins are there. If you want to prevent accidental deletions in the future, consider being more careful when managing your boards or making notes of your most important boards.